Hello children, today we will see the 7 wonders of the world which is there on page number 36 and 37 of your GK book. So let's get started. Children, the first wonder of the world, that is the first picture you can see, is Colosseum. It is situated in Italy. Now have a look at the second picture in the textbook. The second wonder of the world is Great Wall of China. It is in China. This is the third picture in the textbook, and this is the third wonder of the world. It is known as Chichen Itza. It is situated in Mexico. Now see this picture. Yes, it's Taj Mahal. It is the fourth wonder of the world and it is in India. Next picture is of Petra. It is also the wonder of the world. It is situated in Jordan. Have a look at this picture, children. This is the sixth wonder of the world. It is known as Christ the Redeemer and it is situated in Brazil. And the last wonder of the world is Machu Picchu. It is situated in Peru. Okay children, so these are the 7 wonders of the world. Now children, we will move further. That is on page number 38 and 39. Here riddles are given. So we are going to solve the riddles with the help of pictures. So let us begin with it. What has hands but can't clap? Yes, can you see? Picture is given. It is clock. Next, I have to be broken before I can be used. So, picture is already given, children. It is egg. Next sentence, next number you see. I have 4 legs but I can't walk. So, what it is, children? Table. Fourth one. I am a place where you get butter and cream. Dairy. Fifth one. I am a place where you can keep your money and valuables for safety. So it's a bank. Sixth one. I sell flowers. I am known as florist. The person who sells flowers, they are known as florist. I have an eye but I cannot see. It's needle. I sell medicines. I am known as chemist. Children, the person who sells medicines in medical stores, they are known as chemist. Okay. I am tall when I am young, but I am short when I am old. So it's a candle. What can you break without touching? It's promise. Very easy, na? Yes. So you have to write this in the GK textbooks. Okay. Now children, let's move further. And here it is old and new names. It is on page number 44 of your GK textbook. Here you have to match the old names of cities with their new names. Okay, so Indian cities are given. before what was the name of it, what was it called, and now new names of the cities are there. So we are going to match it, so we will write the numbers. Okay, so Bombay, before it was known as Bombay and now it is known as Mumbai. So we are going to write number 1 over here. So old name was Calcutta and now it is known as Kolkata. Madras. Madras was the old name and the new name is Chennai. Now we know it as Chennai. So Chennai is the new name. Gurgaon. Old name was Gurgaon and new name is Gurugram. See next page also, children. Here also names are given, old names of the cities and new names. Bangalore. Before old name was Bangalore and now it is known as Bengaluru. So that is number 5. Old name is Odisha and new name is Odisha. 7th one you see. Old name was Trivandrum and new name is Tiruvananthapuram. Old name of the city was Banaras and now it is known as Varanasi. And last, 9th one you see, before it was known as Pondicherry, now it is known as Puducherry. So with this we completed this topic also. So children, do complete this, all the topics in the textbook itself. Okay. And we'll move further with the next topic, that is palindromes. It is on page number 54 and 55 of your GK textbook. Okay, let us first see what are palindromes. Have a look over here, children. A palindrome is a word, phrase or sentence which reads the same backward or forward. It means any word, when you read from forward also, otherwise backward also, it remains the same. For example, over here it is given EYE. It is I. Yes, when you go backward also, see again EYE. Again the word is same. So these are known as palindromes. So let us start with the exercise of it. A baby wears this to keep food off her clothes. Okay, so a baby wears it. It is known as bib. You can see the picture over here of bib. Now, as you can see over here, BIB, bib. BIB forward also BIB, bib. From backward also if you read it is BIB, bib. Getting or not? Yes. So these are known as palindromes. Now see the next sentence. A word used for 12 o'clock. So it's noon. Next sentence. You call your female teachers in the school by this name. Madam. We call it as madam. Next sentence. Past tense of the verb do. It's did. 5th one. It is our sense organ, helps us to see. So it's eye. Next sentence. The language spoken in Kerala. It is Malayalam. Malayam. Next sentence. A woman of religious community who lives in a convent. It is nun. And last one. An instrument used to navigate unknown planets. It's radar. Okay. So children, See, this all are the words. When you read it forward or backward, it pronounced the same. So with this we completed palindromes also. Do write this also in the textbook, children. This is the next topic, that is animal genders. It is on page number 56 and 57 of your GK textbook. Write the names of the female genders by taking the help of clue box. So here male genders are given. We have to write the female gender of it. So the male is horse and the female of it is mare. M-A-R-E, mare. Okay. See the next word, bull. Male is bull and female is cow. Next is fox. Male is fox and female is vixen. Next, lion and female is lioness. See here, children. Male is pig and female is sow. S-O-W. Male is buck and female is doe. Male is cock and female is hen. Male gender is dog and female gender is bitch. And last one, male is sheep and female is ow. Okay, see children. So now let us move further with it. Next topic is pronouns. Filling the blanks by using pronouns given in the clue box. Okay, so we are going to filling the pronouns over here. Dash, first one you see. Dash is a comic book. So here it will come. It is a comic book. Next sentence, Mummy and Dash went to see the movie. Mummy and me went to see the movie. Next sentence, Dash were talking to each other. So here it will come. They were talking to each other. The lion roared as Dash was angry. As it was angry. Dash is a new bag. It is a new bag. Dash is brushing his teeth. So, he is brushing his teeth. Dash is dancing. She is dancing. Dash is writing. So it's a girl, so we will write she is writing. Dash are playing. We can write they are playing, even we can write we are playing. Okay. Now next sentence you see, Dash is sleeping. Here you can see a picture of a baby. Yes, it can be a girl, it can be a boy. So we can use he also, we can use she also. So both are correct. He is sleeping or else she is sleeping. Okay children, see, we have completed this topic also, that is pronouns. Now see, the next topic is word classification. It is there on page number 60 and 61 of your textbook. Here you have to classify the words and which are the odd words we have to remove it. Take the odd ones out. So first one you see, cow, horse, whale and sheep. So here what odd thing you can see now, cow, horse and sheep, they are, and all these are animals, yes, but they are land animals, and this whale is a water animal. So it's a odd one. So we are going to tick it. Okay children, see the next one, blue, color, green, red. Now here all these are names of colors, but color It's a name of a color? No. So we are going to tick this. This is the odd one over here. Same way we have to do all the words are given. We have to tick the odd ones out of it. So next one you see candle, bulb, glare and torch. So here the odd one is glare. Next tennis, badminton, golf, hockey. Now here tennis, golf and hockey, they are, even badminton is a game, but it's an indoor game, so we are going to tick on it. Next, comment, star, space, planet. Here star is the odd one. Next 4 words is violin, guitar, veena, flute. Here flute is the odd one. Next, triangle, circle, square, pentagon. Here circle is the odd one. 8th one, Karnataka, Kathak, Manipuri, Kuchipudi. Now here the odd one is Manipuri. It's a form of different dance. Next you see gram, onion, wheat, rice. Here onion is the odd one. Next 4 words are bread, cake, biscuits, omelette. Here omelette is the odd one. Next, jug, plate, bottle, kettle. Here plate is the odd one. 12th one, coat, skirt, shirt, sweater. Here skirt is the odd one. Next is number 13. Fingers, eyes, ears, hands. Here fingers are odd ones. 14th one, apple, guava, banana, papaya. Here banana is the odd one. Because all are fruits, but here these 3 fruits have seeds, banana doesn't have seeds. So it's an odd one. Last one, pencil, eraser, sharpener and stationery. Stationery is the odd one. Okay children, with this we completed this topic also, that is word classification. So do all this in your textbook. Thank you.